Hello, this is Bob Joyner with StartDayTrading.com, and in this video I want to talk about day trading statistics, subject that sounds pretty dry, I know, and it sort of is, but it's very important to your success as a day trader. There are many elements involved in creating a day trading strategy, and I'm not going to go over all those right now, but I do want to discuss just one key element, and that is day trading statistics. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a whiteboard for this to kind of explain a little bit. In this black line here, I'm going to just say that that represents your entry. Now that entry, let's just say for example that you're buying a stock long, and your entry should be based on various technical indicators that you're using that tell you that when these indicators all line up, that there's a high probability of success for the trade. And when you do that, that's part of what a day trading strategy does. Is it back tests, it analyzes charts, and it creates a strategy based on technical analysis that tells you this trade has a high probability of success. Doesn't mean it's always going to hit its target or anything else, but it does have a high probability, and that's part of the important part though. So part of the important part. So part of that is that when you have a day trading strategy, what you're doing is you're saying that there's a high probability that the stock is going to hit this percentage target. Now that target could be 1%, it could be 5%, whatever it is, but just for this example, we'll just say for example that it's a 1% target. Okay. At the same time, you've got to have a stop in place, and your stop could be here. And let's just say that that stop is going to be roughly 2%. Okay. Now, in order for this strategy to work, a couple things have to happen. Okay. Part of it is that you have to have a high probability of success. If you're saying that you're going to take profit every time that the stock, that your entry goes up and it hits the 1% target, and you're going to exit right there. As soon as you hit 1% target, you're going to exit each trade. And as soon as if the trade goes against you, and every time you lose, you're going to exit if the trade goes against you by 2%, and you're going to exit right there. Okay. Now for this strategy to work based on those numbers, you've got to have a very high probability of success, because if your win to loss ratio is only 50-50, which means about half the time it hits this and about half the time it hits that, then well, obviously you're going to be losing money. Okay, so that's why this whole idea of day trading statistics is very important. So one of the questions is, how do you get a handle on that? And one of the things that you can do is you can study your trading log. You should be able to know the number of your winning trades versus your losing trades, and this is easy accessible to you if you go back into your trading log for the past week. Something that you should do for a while, especially if you're new to trading, is look at how many times did you win and how many times did you lose. But the next question has to do with day trading statistics, and it's very important. Know your profit percentages. For example, what is your average percentage profit per winning trade and your average percentage loss on your losing trades? So for example, if you are in that scenario which I just described here, and you're fine, well, I'm exiting most of my trades as soon as I get to 1%, but I'm allowing the losers to go down to 2% or even further before I exit the trade. Well, that could be the whole problem to why you're losing money right now. So this is just a brief video to get you started thinking about day trading statistics. But to kind of sum it up, there's a quote that, and I don't remember the guy who said it. I think he was a preacher out of Atlanta, Georgia. But I love the quote, and it says, if your outgo exceeds your income, then your upkeep is going to be your downfall. And it's pretty pertinent there for day trading, because that's the reality of trading. So know your day trading statistics, study it, know it, improve it, and become a better trader. Good luck to you.